Brought to you by JEGS.
What's up, Diesel heads? BD Diesel is proud to announce the newest expansion of its signature Screamer Turbo lineup, the 2017 to 2021 Duramax L5P Screamer Turbo. Let's go over all the details and how this can improve the performance of your Duramax. The horsepower potential of a stock L5P Duramax is typically restricted by the ECM to maintain an air-to-fuel ratio of about 17. The L5P Screamer Turbo upgrade provides you with enough airflow to access the full potential of your stock fuel system, allowing you to reach higher horsepower while reducing your EGTs. The drop-in Screamer upgrade features a stock appearance with an additional punch behind the mat. Inside is our custom 66.2mm billet compressor wheel and a 67mm radial flow turbine wheel, designed to give you increased airflow without compromising low-end performance or requiring major modifications to your stock intake and exhaust systems. These trucks are stock rated by GM at 445 horsepower, and through in-house testing, we were able to achieve up to 402 wheel horsepower on a stock 2019. But if you want to unleash the true power of your truck and maximize the potential of the Screamer, with tuning and some supported modifications, you could experience a boost up to 680 wheel horsepower with this upgrade. If you're a proud Duramax owner and you're looking for a stock turbo replacement or wanting a performance upgrade in your daily driver that you also use for off-roading or towing, then check out the new 2017 to 2021 Duramax L5P Screamer Turbo.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.